Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are very glad to be here at Uttara Women's Medical College. This medical college is known for its good education and supportive environment for international students. So today we will explore about this medical college from its top-notch academics to its amazing facilities. So let's get started and dive into what makes this medical college stand out for future doctors. Now we will talk some of our Indian students about their experience and journey in Bangladesh. So what's your name?
Shaina. My name is Sadika.
Okay, how's your classes and studies going here? Tell us something about your classes, studies, and overall college environment.
The studies are going good. The teachers are very helpful. They help you a lot, and they're very well experienced. They're very nice. They're very loving.
I felt the environment is good. Teachers are very helpful over here, and there are very sources to learn and do this needful. Then there are the friendly environment in the college. There is no risk of we have medical college. Then as a medical student, we have the pressures, and there is not so thing that.
So, what's your take on the teaching quality about this medical college? Is it up to the mark or not?
Yes, ma'am, it's up to the mark. We are helpful about all these environments. What they teach us, what are the sources of that. We are very helpful.
Teachers in this college, they are very experienced. They're very helpful, and they help you in the initial days. They help a lot.
So accommodation facilities is very important to any international student. So how do you feel about the accommodation facilities? Is it convenient or comfortable for you?
Particularly in this college, the hostel is, with the college, and the rooms are fully air conditioned. Plus, the Wi-Fi facility we get here is very convenient.
Though it is a medical college for girls, it's a very much security over here. We have security too much. We have 24/7 by cameras, CCTV cameras and all. That's a very safe place for the girls to take the admission in this college.
Okay, so both of you must go out for shopping or hangouts with your friends.
Yes, ma'am.
So do you feel accepted by your local community?
Like, we understand Bengali language. First, in the initial days, it's difficult, but then you get adjusted with that.
We can understand Bangla a little bit, but we are not able to speak. It will take some time us to cap up that.
Okay. So, would you like to recommend Uttara Women's Medical College to other Indian students who are planning their MBBS in Bangladesh?
Yes, ma'am. We would recommend, because as a girl, there is a facility in these colleges. There is security for the girls, especially in these colleges. And as we know that beside Uttara, we have the airport, which is too much facilitated for us.
I will definitely recommend this college because the market is very near. You can order food at any time. You can go, and the places, the restaurants are very near. The food, you will not have any problem about the food, and the airport is very near. And the teachers, the environment, education is top notch.
And it's the safest place.
Okay, so both of you have taken admission into this medical college through being MBBS. So how was the experience with being MBBS in your admission procedure? Was it smooth?
Yes, ma'am. It's really smooth. The employees over there are very helpful near us. They are cooperative. Then they are supported in each and everything. From taking the admission till coming here, each and everything they supported us.
Okay, since you joined your college, has being MBBS been there available whenever you needed any support or assistance from them?
Yes, ma'am. I really feel that, because whenever I need, it's maybe day or it's maybe night, they are everywhere available for me. And it's all.
How did they manage your visa and travel arrangements?
Actually, it was managed by the being MBBS only itself. So there was not any stress for me and my parents.
Okay. So lastly, do you have any message to Indian students or any international students who wants to study MBBS in Bangladesh, but they are not sure whether it will be a wise decision for them or not?
They should definitely come here because the country is near to India, and it's not that much. It will not take that much time to go back to your home. And the Indian food is available here, which is very important. That's it.
Okay, so thank you so much, guys. You have provided very important information to us today. I think it has cleared many doubts of students. So students who wish to choose Bangladesh for their MBBS study, they can now confidently choose Bangladesh and being MBBS for their admission procedure. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much.